This was overdue to me, and from the very beginning, when I joined the bar. Now I am in the bar at least for 40 years, near about 40 years. Basically, I am a constitutional lawyer, but charging regularly with the Supreme Court. There were a lot of options available to me, lot of people approached to me, lot of parties. But I tell you frankly, why did I join this party? Today, I feel it as my moral duty also, and an obligation to apprise all of you that this was the reason I joined this party. I remember the day, that was most probably, my memory is correct, 1998 or 1999. I was going to a Gandhinagar area in Jammu to meet Tarigami Sahb. Tarigami Sahb is a good friend of mine, and I am his also legal advisor. I helped Tarigami in legal matters, lot of constitution matters, wherein I got lot of orders for him, for his constitution with the opposition. I saw that time some people had assembled in a Gandhinagar park. Because right side was the Tarigami's residence. There were 7-8 people who had assembled in that Gandhinagar park. You must not be knowing, but I have seen it. And mostly were the lawyers in that. So when I saw them, I thought that here is some important meeting they are going to conduct here in the park. And I went to Tarigami Sahb. I told him, sir, I have seen some lawyers. They are sitting in the park. Perhaps there is some program for them. He told me Mufti Sahb is going to launch a good party, and these people must be the members. And so thereafter, sir, this is a fact. Whatever the contribution, Mufti Sahb is the son of the soil. He was the son of the soil, and such a statesman. I was following him long back. He is the only Kashmiri who got a covered position, and that was the confidence when the national leader was also realized. And he became the Home Minister, I think in 1996, if my memory is correct. 89. And in 96, he fought the election. This is for the first time I'm telling you. Let me show any party across here who are claiming to be the tall leaders. He got the mandate, and he won from Muzaffarnagar constituency from UP. That was the contribution. That was the Mufti Sahib's contribution and his stature. There is no doubt for that. And I tell you honestly, I was doing one matter in the Supreme Court that was pertaining to 49 Kashmiri students, medical students. My friends must be knowing that there was a prime medical college which was opened here in somewhere Humam. Some 49 students were studying there. 1 year had elapsed for them, and they were regularly going to the college. Meanwhile, the Medical Council of India did not give recognition. Ultimately, the matter went before the Supreme Court, and the boys were very frustrated, all the students. Ultimately, they said, we will go and make a request to the Mufti Sahib. He may take over, because Mufti Sahib had inner feeling about that. He was basically a protector of Kashmiri interests, Jammu Kashmir. Yes. He had that vision. And that president of that union, he approved it. Mufti Sahib ran to the people who were at the time head of affairs in New Delhi and asked them that these are Kashmiri boys. They have been duped with a lot of money, are ditched, so please do something for them. Matter was going in the Supreme Court. I was their counsel in the Supreme Court. The Solicitor General confronted in 2-3 hearings. I was not in a position to get them clear. But later on, when Mufti Sahib intervened, the Solicitor General made a statement, a candid statement in the Supreme Court before the Supreme Court, that now we have to adjust all these Kashmiri boys and girls across the medical college in the country. That was the contribution of Mufti Sahib. Mufti Sahib was meant for that. Such a able administrator, organizer, and he had inner feelings about the people. He would realize that where is the pain of the people, and he would touch that bottom line. That's what we did. I tell you honestly, frankly, the another thing is, which is the dominating factor, which prevailed over my mind, was that, you see, when I grew up in the locality, I belong from a Bhat district. I'm a local chokra of that area. And I was eagerly, I'm telling you frankly, was advocating for the safety of the interests which have been guaranteed towards the constitution. One would not dream